Hey guys, so today we're working on the old toaster here, the 05 Scion Xb. Now what happened was that a few days ago my headlights, I parked my car and I turned them off, and then I came back outside later on and I saw that my marker lights were on and my tail lights were on, and I went in and I jiggled the headlight switch here, and they just would not turn off. Now it's an intermittent problem. I ended up having to unplug my battery to get them to go off, and then so whenever I plugged my battery back in, a little bit later the problem had gone away, and it has since happened once before. So I looked it up online and got me a new headlight switch in, because that's what they said was the problem. So I got it in the mail today, and I'm going to show you how to put it on. Okay, so there's really all you're going to need for this is a flathead maybe, and most definitely a Phillips head screwdriver. Now you've got 3 screws to take off. We got one right here, one on the other side, which I'll crank it up in a minute and turn it to reveal it, and then we got one down here on the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in here. Crank it up. We'll go ahead and take this first screw out. And then turn the wheel over. And get the other screw out. And then go up underneath here and get this one out. Your screw probably doesn't look like this. This looks like somebody worked on this before and replaced this screw. And this is where I said that you might need your flathead screwdriver, because this baby does not want to come out. So, okay, and I just used the flathead screwdriver to pry out as I twisted it out, and I got that off. Now to get this housing off, you got a little place right here where you can grab, and then just pull it until it comes down on both sides. It comes off like so. Do the same with the top. And then you see our switch here. And then take your flathead screwdriver and just push that in. That comes right out. And then take your flathead screwdriver. You got one more clip right here. Push it right there. It's really hard to do with one hand. But it comes off like so, and then you have your little bracket there and your hook, and that's really the only thing it takes to put in there. And so we take our old one. This is an OEM one. It came off out of a junkyard that I bought off of eBay for $40. You can see it's the exact same thing. It's just got the mark from the junkyard. And you're just gonna take that. It's got a rails on it, and you just get it to slide on there, and it just clips into place. Take it, hook that up, put your covers back on. Make sure to turn your windshield wipers on. It's very important. It just clips on there like that. Likewise, the bottom, you just put it in there, push it back on. Make sure it's right on both sides. Right as rain. Then take and put your 3 screws back in. It's going into plastic. If it doesn't want to tighten down, it doesn't have to. Because if it's not going to tighten down, it's not going to tighten down. Make sure not to over tighten them. Let's see here. That other screw is missing now. Oh, here it is. Alright, this goes just back in there. Now look at the screw instead of at the screw through the camera. And there we go. Our headlights on. Headlights are working. I'd say it's a job well done. So there's how to replace your headlight switch in under 8 minutes. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time.